Which of these is a star? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. The ocean. D. Jupiter. Correct answer is B. The sun. Which of these speeds is the fastest? A. Speed of sound. B. Speed of light. C. Speed of Earth's rotation. D. All are equal. Correct answer is B. Speed of light. What group of stars is the Sun classified in? A. Supernova. B. Hypernova. C. Yellow dwarf. D. Red supergiant. Correct answer is C. Yellow dwarf. Which scientist used one of the first telescopes to observe planets and stars? A. Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. James Watt. D. Roger Bacon. Correct answer is B. Galileo Galilei. Animals that only consume other animals are called A. Omnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Carnivores. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Carnivores. Which planet is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Jupiter. D. Earth. Correct answer is C. Jupiter. Fire cannot burn without A. Carbon. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Oxygen. How many bones does an adult human usually have? A. 200. B. 206. C. 221. D. 242. Correct answer is B. 206. Approximately how much time does light take to travel from Sun to Earth? A. 20 minutes. B. 1 hour. C. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. D. 3 days. If you know the answer, please put it in the comment box. For more videos like that, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.